Hello, this is Paul Emmanuel, URK22CS1054 from the lab Building Applications with GPT-4, and this is the experiment 4 Personalized Recommendation System for Movies or Books. So, the aim of this experiment to mainly develop a personalized recommendation system using a LLM. So, this system suggests books or movies based on a user's past preferences and their current queries. So industrial level in the real world, recommendation systems they are used almost in every digital platform. Like Amazon uses, Netflix uses, and other popular streaming platforms. They uses these recommendation systems. They use these to provide personalized content to users. So these systems are used to increase the engagement, improve satisfaction, and help the business retain their customers. So we have implemented a simplified version using Olama and using Llama model, and this can understand user context and preferences to generate smart recommendations to the user. So it uses the Llama 3.1 model, that's the latest model. So first we are importing the library, Olama library, and we are defining sample user profiles. For example, we are defining 3 user profiles, like if Alice likes Inception, Star, and Matrix. So she likes this, and Bob likes this, Charlie likes these. We are defining set of user profiles. Uh, these profiles like used to simulate stored user, like what is stored in a like database, like how it's stored in a database. It simulates like that. So next we are using the build prompt function. So this function mainly creates a detailed prompt and it sends to the model. So it selects the user here, like Alice, retrieve favorite titles like user and Alice. So it asks the models to retrieve similar ones. So finding the Alice profiles, if not, it returns it is not finding profiles. So if it found means you can make a we can make a like template prompt like you are a helpful movie recommendation assistant and this user likes this, and based on this user profile that likes this one, recommend similar titles. So we are using a template and we are connecting all these user profiles and they are what they are like, everything we are connected and giving into the model. So this is the main template of the model that is given, and the model uses this to give a very defined answer. So next one is suggest recommendation function. Now this function sends the prompt to the model using the Olama API. So then mainly sending the and mainly sending data. So then the model returns the natural relevant recommendation based on the user interest. Finally, we are using the main function and we are giving a sample set of questions or queries, like giving into the model and testing it how it works. Like if the prompt works right or not, we are checking it. And this is the user query and this is the recommendation. This is the template. So user query is like I like sci-fi movies. So it understood from the past history who likes which one. So it started giving recommendations like sci-fi movies, a fan of mind bending through provide sci-fi. It gave us a very nice title, and it gave us few recommendations, movie recommendations, like this one launch movie and what is this about. And next such like if you want means such new book recommendations to computer movie testers tests, like these are books and who wrote these, who's the author and what does the book say, what books okay. And hope you enjoy these recommendations. Next we are using suggest some action movies. So it's running through every query and it's displaying it all at once. So suggest some action movies, mind bending action flicks. So these are the some movies it suggested for us, and I enjoy a mom comedy, so it suggested a recommendations, a few recommendations like from the code that we are given. So these offer engine candidate reporting themes. So recommend a book similar to Pride and Prejudice. So recommended from the history that we are given. So basically based on the past user history that we gave, it's generating a very well defined answer, well corrected answer, with not just generating random things, generating a very confined answer. So this project can be actually used for recommendation system, and it's a very serves as a very simple template, like how recommendation system work in real world Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, etc. So thank you.